This side of the door weather seal, and just remember how this sits and where it tucks under. It should just pull out. I say that, I'll do that off camera because it looks like someone's actually glued that in. An SL out there that doesn't have rusty doors, but if so, I haven't come across it yet. This one's not actually too bad really. That should have been welded up and the inside of the door painted, but they didn't bother doing that. But before you put new seals on, you've got to really address any rust that you might find down here. Make sure that your drain holes here and here are unblocked. Often you'll find that these doors fill up with water because those drain holes get blocked up with little bits of rust, etc. This part of the seal will always be glued down because of all the curves. There's no way you can pin it to the door securely without gluing it. So when you come to take the little 10 tags out, use something like a pair of pliers and just wedge them up, squeeze them together, wedge them up. You want to save those if you can, unless you happen to have bought some new ones. Take your seal off, it'll almost certainly disintegrate, but be sure to save these little trim clips and free of dust. We're just going to use a little brass brush to get the worst of the glue off, and then we're going to switch to one of these scouring pads here. When you start this working this seal in, you want to work at the back and then slowly press the front bit in. I don't have any plastic trim tools unfortunately, so I'm just using a pointing trowel with black electrical tape wrapped around it so I don't damage the paintwork. That these gaps here line up with these holes, so I always like to start at that point there, work my way up. Install this piece of the door seal here. You're going to need to glue this down because you can see as it goes around the corners, if you don't use glue you're going to get gaps here and also at the bottom, and your door's going to leak basically. So we're going to use a little bit of contact adhesive, just the Evo stick and a little paintbrush just to put it on. You don't need much of it. Coat of this Evo stick on both sides, and I always put the trim clips in first before I put the glue on this side. It just saves you getting glue all over your hands. Takes a few minutes to dry and get tacky, and then you're gonna press it together. You need to avoid getting glue on the trim clips if possible, but do the outer edges. Just do it carefully with a 1/2-inch paintbrush, and once again you do not need much. Pressed the clips in, you've got to apply pressure to this bottom bit down there where it sticks to the door. That's the big triangular piece where you got glue on, and also just around here where the seal curves. So I'm going to do that with my other hand. Once you've fitted the door seal, you can set about fitting this piece of chrome here. Got to take the mirror off to do so. Put a bit of tape along there to protect the paintwork. Now the kit actually comes with just 2 clips, but on this car it had 1 clip here. So I'm going to actually attach this with 3 clips. It should just push straight on. 3 of those clips on, 1, 2, and the one that was already on there, 3. Next up, put the mirror back on and then move to the other side. If you are planning on replacing the weather seals on your doors, you can get them from the SL parts shop, considerably cheaper than Mercedes. They are £35.79 each. There's 1 for the right and 1 for the left, so that's going to cost you just over £70 to replace the rubber seals on your SL.